isang physical game, contact sport, advance, gawin lang natin yung ating mga vision. Hindi mawala yung accidental contact, no? Saka hindi naman lahat ng contact na natawagan ng mga foul. It depends on the basis, kung merong disadvantage ba or may advantage ba na nagagawa ng isang player. Okay, so bago tayo magpatuloy, so hingin muna natin ng konting examen ng ating SK Chairman upang sa pagsisimula ng inyong legal. SK.
Ayun po, magandang gabi sa akin. After 1,000 years, nagpapasalamat po sa pakikisan niyo po sa ating na sana po maging maayos ang ating malaman niyo po away. Hindi ka na kami para sa inyo. I-enter lang po natin ang kampay.
Alam ko naman, ay mga may kaalaman na sa mga pagbabago na naganap sa ating FIBA, ano? So, yun nga, basta unintentional yung nangyayari, so wala tayong violation, lalo-lalo na sa pop-ball violation. For example, sir, pero bola. Ayan. For example, dyan, yeah, example, nasa yan, hindi ko control. Hindi ko control. So, legal to yun, wala ko pero once na nagkaroon siya ng scooping or control of the ball, so may tinatawag na po tayong player's control. So, ito po yun, yung scooping na ball. Yan na po yung player's control. So, once na-dribble yun, legal tayo. Okay, pero sakaling hawakan natin, nagpatak, kinuha natin, legal pa rin po. Okay? Bawal lang po natin siyang i-dribble. Pwede natin siyang itira o ipasa. Bawal lang i-dribble. Okay? So, kickball violation tayo. Sa kickball violation, ang tinatawag ng kickball violation ay intention yung sipain or ipitin sa ating mga kita. Tulad yan, it's a violation na yan. Kickball violation. Kasi may mga players na gumagawa na minsan ginaganto yung bola, yung pass. So, bawal po yun. It's considered kickball violation. Okay? So, maliwanag tayo doon. Alright. So, ngayon, sinasabi kong hindi lahat ng contact mo ay tinatawagan. For example, yung dinidribble mo, hinahampas ka dito pero nakukontrol mo yung bola. Let go po tayo doon, ha? Kapag kung sakaling lang, hinampas po, nawala ang bola sa'yo, saka tayo tatawag. Pero kung tinatapik lang yan, pero hindi naman nakukontrol mo naman yung bola, legal tayo doon. Kahit sa tira, nag-play up ako, may konting contact, pero hindi naman nagkaroon ng misjudgment, naitira ko ng maayos, wala kaming tawag doon mga sir. Ano? Kasi light yung contact. Pero kung sakali talaga, na-obvious yung contact, kumampas, controlling of the ball, naitira, doon tayo tawag. Okay? Klaro tayo doon. So sa ilalim naman tayo, sa mga big man, yung verticality na tinatawag. So once na kayo po ay naka-vertical, so stay on your position kasi may signal kayo tinatawag. Huwag na po kayong gagalaw. Kasi hindi po kami tumatawag sa mga ganong position. Kung tatawagan natin yun, anong depensa yung gagawin niya? Kasi yun yung mismong, according to OBRI, ng libro ng FIBA, yun yung vertical cylinder ng depensa. Pero, huwag mong ibababa ang isa. Huwag mong iahampas. Okay, huwag mong igaganon. Saka namin tatawagan ng foul kasi nawawala sa cylinder mo ng depensa. So kasi nawawala. Minsan kasi ano nangyari, nakataas nga yung players. Pero ang puwet, umuusan. So nasaan yung verticality dyan? Di ba wala? Kasi tinatawag na verticality, stay still, stand still. Ganun lang. Okay po tayo doon. So wala tayong tatawag na contact doon. Okay po? So sa mga offensive players naman, if kayo yung unang nag-initiate ng contact, no? May mga ganun players nag-initiate muna ng contact, bago titira tapos hihingi ng foul. Hindi po namin yan tatawagan. Kasi kayo yung unang nag-initiate bago yung depensa. So ang kailangan lang natin, depensa, ang unang mag-initiate ng contact bago natin ibigay ang foul sa ating mga offensive players. Klaro po tayo? Okay? So in times of may throw-in tayo, may tinatawag tayo throw-in foul. The last 2 minutes of our last quarter, for example, inbound ako sa team nila, nag-foul ang color blue. Hindi pa nai-inbound ng ayos yung bola. Yun yung tinatawag natin throw-in foul. So, in the last 2 minutes pa po yun. So, ang gagawin natin doon, ang sanction po nun, may 1 free throws plus ball possession. Kasi kalimitan po ng throw-in foul, at tawag po doon ay ina-ans po namin. Yan, kasama na sa ans po. Pero ang kaibahan lang, 1 free throw lang ang titira nyo. Okay? Plus ball possession na ulit. Ayun ay pag hindi pa nato-throw-in, yung mismong bola. Okay? Hanggat nasa disposal pa, hindi pa na i-dispose, nasa may inbounder pa, saka tayo tatawag. Kung sakaling pinahawakan ng kulay mo yun, tawag tayo anspo. Pero 1 free throw, as ball possession. So sa anspo criteria naman tayo, syempre, doon papasok yung pulling of jersey, no? Kunyari, ito si Kuya, nagpa-pass play, chance to shoot, kahit may depensa yan, kahit dalawang depensa, pero pinul mo, yung jersey niya, pasok siya sa criteria ng unsportsmanlike foul. Kasi bakit? Hindi po kailangan ilaro ay ang tao. Kailangan po ang ilaro natin ay bola. Kung kayo ay duty foul na tinatawag, kailangan nakapunin yung bola. Okay, iwasan natin yon. While on transition, hihilahin mo yung players, hands mo na rin po yun. Okay po? Klaro po ba tayo doon? Kasi nangyayari ka ng ganyan. Okay? Excessive use of elbows, pag nagsiswing, tumama above the head, hands mo na po tayo dyan. Okay po? So complaining, pwede mag-complain, pero wag naman masyadong aggressive. Ang pinapayagan lang namin mag-clarify sa aming mga tawag is si coach and captain ko lamang. Siyempre, in a proper manner, tayo. Just courteous manner. Hindi po tayo kailangan magsigawan guys ha. Kailangan lang, magunawaan lang tayo para at least magkaintindihan po tayo. Okay po? So iwasan din yung disconcerting. Yung lapping, from 2 feet ahead, 2 feet malapit na, 2 inches, malapit lang po yun. Lapping, basic cover, technical na po yan. Okay? Pero minsan ginawarningan muna namin. Pero kapag talagang inulit-ulit, no? Saka natin technical. So if ever na tumira yung players at nag-disconcert yung players na depensa, titingnan natin yung status ng bola. Kung nag-shoot po yung bola, counted tayo, wala tayong technical. Saka lang po tatawag ng technical disconcerting kapag salo po yung bola, then ang reception of the game, kung ano po yung possession, kung saan siya nakatutok. Maliwanag po tayo. Okay? So, good sa tayo lahat. Baka meron pa kayong question. Same foot landing. Traveling na po tayo. Okay? So, alam ko, excited na kayo maglaro. So, good luck po team. Ingat, stay safe, and congratulations again.
Pass number 16, number 16. Number 16, no good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4, pass to number 25. Number 16, Rodina. Rodina. Double free point by number 16. Number 9, pass to number 25. Pass to number 16. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Jump ball. Number 16. Pass to number 25. Rodina, number 16. Pass to number 5. Buasa. Pass to Fernandez. Number 9. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Number 25, Zach. Number 16, pass to number 9. Number 9, Pass number 16 again. Pass number 91. Number 91. Pass number 12. Number 12. Good for 2 points. Point
Zero.
number 12.
At Carmin.
Number 16. Number 16. Number 16. Pass number 5. Number 5. No good. Number 9. Pass number 91. Number 1. Number 9. Save ball. Number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 16. Number 21. Good, good.
5-0. At Carmin.
Number 25. Pass number 16. Number 25. No good. Number 16. Pass break. Number 12. Good, 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 good.
7-0.
Time out.
Team at
Time
delay.
out. Donya Adeline.
Mga delay.
Number 17, Buwasan. Pass to Rondina, number 16. Rondina. Pass to Buwasan. Buwasan.
Oh.
Rondina. Pass to number 25. Number 25. Pass to number 9. Number 25 again. Number 31. Pass. Number 7. Pass number 16. Number 16, pass number 12, number 12, go. Number 31, pass number 16 again. 10 to shoot, plus 10 to shoot. Number 12, plus 5 to shoot. 31,
Oh. Good.
no good.
Oh.
Good, good shooting by number 9. 25, pass to number 5. Number 5, Buwasan. Pass to number 25. Number 17, Buwasan again. Rondina, number 16. Good for 2 points. By number 5.
9-2. 1.5 sa
Number
Carmin.
32. Last 4 minutes and 23. Number 21. Number 12. Counter foul. Basket count. Substitution ref. Number 9, first personal foul. First team foul. Good job. No. Good job.
Oh.
Out of bounds.
Line ball. Clear out.
Number 5, pass, number 13. Number 13. Pass, number 25. No good. Number 7. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Last 10 to shoot. No good. Buwasan. Pass to Rondina. Buwasan again. No good. Nakatagay. No good. Number 12.
Tulak tayo, tulak. May tulak ha. Number 16.
Save ball. Last 10 to shoot. Last 5. Foul. Third team foul.
Kapatid laban. Kapatid niya.
Number 25. Pass number 16. Number 16. No good. Ball by number 18. Number 17. Good for 2 points by number 17. Number 16. Good for 2 points by number 16. Number 18. Last 2 minutes. Number 17. Number 16. Pass to number 18. 18. Good for 2 points. Number 18. Number 25. Number 18. Number 18. Pass number 12. Good for 2 points by number 12.
Dapat na yun.
Number 13. Score po namin ay 94. 1 minute and 20. Number 25. Good for 2 points by number 25. Number 18. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 18 again. Number 18. Pass to number 16. Number 16.
Kaya clean mo.
By number 16.
Ayun na yun eh.
Last
22.
55 seconds.
22 na yun.
Number 13. Number 13. No. Last 45 seconds. Number 18. Last 40 seconds. Number 22. Pass number 16. Number 16. Number 16. Last 30 seconds. Last 25.
Wala.
Number 22. Pass number 18. Last 15. Last 10 seconds. Last 5.
Hey.
And on the first quarter. Score.
25.
Score 25-6.
85-6.
Number 25. Number 10. Good. Number 10.
9 pick.
Number 9. Pass number 1. Number 1. Pass number 18. Number 18. Pass number 1. Number 1. No good. Number 5. Number 24. Number 21 again. Last 10 to shoot. Number 1. Pass number 1. No good. One by number 10. Pass number 18. 13 pass number 18.
Oh.
Foul. Number 18. First personal foul. First team foul.
Pero na.
Number 15. Pass number 5. Foul. Foul number 1. First personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution po. Last 8 minutes. Number 2 ball. Number 15. Number 25. Number 25. Foul. Foul number 24. It's their first personal foul. 30 foul.
Hindi! Tira mo! Mahihain ka naman eh.
Number 17. Pass number 24. Number 17. Pass number 24. Foul.
Nakalik na na.
Foul number 25. It's your first personal foul. First team foul.
29-8 ang score po. Second
Number
quarter.
17. Last 10 to shoot. Pass number 7. Last 5 to shoot. Six minutes and 20 seconds. Cover. Number
Sarap mong
16.
galing.
Pass number 18. Number 18. No good. Number 17 and 12. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Blue ball. Number 16. Pass number 13. Number 16 again. Pass number 10. Number 10. Pass number 18. Number 18. Pass number 16. Number 16. Double. Bumaw pa number 9. Number 24. Pass to number 7. Number 17 again. Pass to number 2. Last 10 to shoot. Timeout. Soccer team. Number 17. Pass to number 93. No good, number 5. Good for the squad by number 2. Number 17.
10-29 ang score.
Pass number 3. Number 3. Number 17 again. Last 10 to shoot. Foul number 18. Last 3 minutes and 17 seconds.
Score po ay 36-12.
Last 2 minutes. Number 2. Pass number 17. Last 10 to shoot.
Gagi ka na play! Ay!
Good for 2 points. Number 25. Foul. Foul number 2.
Uwi na daw.
It's your first personal foul. Penalty.
Sama kayo dalawa siya na. Ako si Angel sa bayo mo eh. Si Angel sa bayo.
Patay wala dito yung kama.
Number 17. Pass to number 2. Number 17 again. Pass to number 3. Number 2. Number 16. Number 16. Then, because number 5. Number 5, number 10. Number 17. Last 1 minute. Pass to number 4. Number 17 again. Last 50 seconds. Good for 2 points by number 17. Number 16. Number 25. Last 40 seconds. Number 25 for 2 points. Last 25. Last 30.
Hindi natandaan. Ayun.
Last 25. Last 20. 10 shoot. Last 16. Last 15. Last 20 seconds. Last 9.
Paul yun. Ganun na. Live sa bola ha.
Foul number 17. Second personal foul. Last 9 seconds. Last 5.
Score at second part, 1840. 1840.
Score 39-19.
Dito na kami half time. Sure, okay. Cheer out. Half time with half time.
Ano pangalan? Shout out po sa mama ko. Thank you. Nagante po ako. Amor. Ng TV. Yung.
Cheer out. Cheer out po sa inyo. Hey, hello, hello. Mas going. Yung toilet ko.
Ako hindi lalaro.
Cheer out. Tulisan. Cheer out sa inyo dalawa. Cheer out. Cheer out. Habang half time. Yeah, tapos na agad ang half time.
Yo, what's up? Shout out sa'yo, Gar.
Basta, cheer out din na. Cheer out din na.
Shout out sa'yo, Gar. Are, pakita mo natin. Zoom. Yun.
Yeah.
Tal. Hindi ka 18 yan.
nga, tinira nga agad. Nice din.
Kaya.
Pero, tayo. At third quarter na po. Second half.
Foul number 22. It's your first personal foul. First team foul. Number 21.
Pagkilaban ng magkapatid ng magaling. Blue and orange. Oh.
Foul number 17. It's your first personal foul. First team foul. Pass number 9. Last 10 to shoot. Number 5. Last 5 to shoot. Number 21.
Boys. Isa ko yan. They are about to. Shot violation. Shot lock violation. Oy, travel.
Number 22, last 10 to shoot. Traveling violation. Number 5, pass number 16. Pass number 5 again, number 5. No good. Number 31. Pass to number 4, good for 2 points.
44-20.
Number 16. Number 16 pass to number 25. Number 91. Pass to number 4. Substitution rep. Number 13. Pass to number 16. Number 16, no good. Number 5. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 5 again, number 5. No good. Rebound by number 18. Number 18. No good. Number 31. Number 5 again. Good for 3 points.
47-22.
Number 30.
Third quarter.
Good for 3 points by number 13. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 5 again. No good. Rebound by number 5. Steal again by number 31. No good again. Ball by number 5 again. Steal again. Number 4. Number 22. Good goal. 2 points by number 22. Time out. Doña Diling. Last 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Number 18. Pass to number 16. Number 18 again. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Good for.
2 points.
Number 25. Now, number 16. Number 25 again.
53-25 ang score.
Number 25. Good for 2 points by number 25.
27. Third quarter.
Number 18.
2 minutes na po ang third quarter.
Pass to number 16.
Miss pang quarter. Ang labanan.
Pass to number 12. Number 12.
So,
Good for 2 points.
55-57.
Number 25. No good. Number 18. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Good for 3 points. Last 1 minute and 43 seconds. Number 25. Foul. Number 18. Last 18 seconds. Second team foul. Oras po natin ay 1 minute and 34 seconds. Number 18. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 16. Still number 17. Number 17. Good for 2 points by number 17. Number 12. Pass to number 18 again. Pass to number 16. Last 1 minute. Number 12. Good for 2 points by number 12. Last 50 seconds. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 15. It's a traveling violation. Last 43 seconds. Last 40. Last 35. Rebound by number 18. Last 30. Number 16. Last 25. Last 20. Number 5. Good for 2 points. Number 16. Last 15. Last 10 seconds. Last 5. Score po natin 62-33.
63 daw. 33-62. San Fermin. Ang third quarter.
Number 9. Pass to number 25. Number 5. No good. Number 24. Number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 21. Number 12. Last 32. Number 21. Pass to number 24. No move. Number 12. Good. 22.
Kaya,
Number 25.
Oh, shout out sa'yo!
kaya, four.
Number 25.
Tara ka sa blok. Times player na naman si Abe. Shout out.
Sabi, sa YouTube,
Oh,
patadala.
doon ko i-upload. Pero pinuha ko sa Facebook. Shout out muna sa mga manonood. Shout out ulit.
Sino bang kalaban niya? Oo nga, ako sige ulit.
Siya pa si Kuya. Ay, shout out po. Shout out Jerome.
Shout out daw. Shout out kay Esther. Di ba nakakas ng palo?
Number 17. Number 17. Rebound again. Number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 10. Number 10. It's a traveling violation. Number 5. Number 5. 3. Number 15. Number 15. Therefore, ibabang number 17. Number 17. Pass number 20. Last time shoot. Number 17. No good. Save ball. Substitution. Pasok ka, pasok ka, pasok ka labas. Number 30. Number 30. Good for 3. Number 30. Just 2 minutes. Number 17. Foul. Number 17. Number 9. Number 17. Good for 2. Number 13. Steve, number 2. Number 30 again. Number 25. Number 25. Number 17. Number 17. Number 12. Pass number 2. Number 17. Number 4. Number 17. Foul. Foul, number 5. It's your second personal foul.
Comeback na.
Number 14.
Ayan. 46, 80.
Number 13.
Oh, airball. Airball.
Last 52 seconds. Number 17. Pass number 2. Last 45 seconds. Number 13. Pass number 17. Number 17. Good for 2. Last 35 seconds. Number 2. Pass number 3.
Good. Stop.
Last 25. Last 20.
83-48. 83-50.
Last
Score.
15.
Wala mga 33.
Last 10.
Yo, 52. 83.
Last 5.
Kaya lang. Ayaw na. Kadala ng Santa Ronin. $83.52.
Hoy, bigay mo niya mga na trabaho.
Thank you.